Jesus said unto them, because of your unbelief, now this is what he's saying to the disciples, for verily I say unto you, if you have faith as a grain of mustard seed, you shall say unto this mountain, hence, remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. Now that was his answer, because they couldn't cast that devil out of that young boy. But then he went on, howbeit this kind goeth not out but by prayer and fasting. He wasn't talking about their ability to cast out devils. He was talking about their ability to stay in faith. You're going to have to slow down and start praying and studying my word, listening to my word, and stay in faith, and then these things are going to happen. I can tell you right now, and I've heard all kinds of ministers, me and Mabel, get a big fuss, go to a meeting and see all kinds of miracles.